Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, access Settings and scroll down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. After that, click on Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you can pick a photo that you want to apply by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them, and finally tap on Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!